So we all know what the card spring is. It's one of the first moves you see on TV and you're like,
whoa, that's so cool.
But once you know it, it's just like,
oh no, everyone knows this move. It's not that cool.
And yet, when you walk up to like a layman and show it to them like,
whoa, it's amazing, it's so incredible.
And then you do an advanced cardistry move that no one else can do in the world. They're like, oh, that's cool. But can you do the thing with the cards? And then you think to yourself, man, I spent all this time learning this advanced move and all they want to see is the card spring. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life? Anyway, let's see how many card springs I can do in 60 seconds. So, let's do it. So I think doing the card spring itself is quite easy. The only difficult part about doing the card spring is squaring the cards back up and preparing for the next one. Because of course they don't always land perfectly. You gotta square them up a little bit, and when you're just going back to back, it takes a second to quickly get into that position and square up the card. So I think that's probably where most of my time is gonna go. But we shall see. I mean, I'm gonna take a guess, and I'm gonna say 20. I'm gonna aim for 20 card springs in 60 seconds. So that's 1 every 3 seconds. Let's see what happens. So I got my timer right here. You should have your timer on the screen. There's not really much left to say. There we go, 1 for good luck. Let's hit that start button. And here we go. Here we go. Not too bad. Pretty okay start. Squaring up takes a bit of time, but I think we're doing okay. It sounds like I did at least 10, right? We're not even halfway done. So glad I used these cards. They're so much easier to spring with. I guarantee you I would have had cramps in my hand if I was just doing this constantly with a much thicker card stock. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, yeah, my hand starts cramping now. I've never done this many in a row before. Never. Come on, one more, one more. That's it. That's all we got time for. Oh, jeez. Oh, it hurts. You know, 27 isn't too shabby. I definitely underestimated myself there. I guarantee you, right? I guarantee you that you will beat 27. Like, I'm almost sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. Let me know how many card springs you can do in 60 seconds. And if you have ideas for other challenges in the future, let me know that as well. And be careful when doing this one, because your thumb will hurt. It will hurt. And now lastly, if you want to see some more challenge videos, click on this playlist right here, and I'll see you there. Peace out.